All right, so Christine and I wanted to just show something, since we're two forum members, that our companies have been part of, that's a change in social norms campaign. And so what we'd like to do is take about 2.5 minutes to show you the website for what's called the No More campaign. Could I see a show of hands of how many people are familiar with this campaign? Well, this button here is part of the No More campaign. It's been going on for about 3 years, but it was preceded by 2 to 3 years of information gathering about what were the ways in which you could bring the areas of domestic violence and sexual assault prevention together. Often they've been in separate silos. If you want to put the No More website up, that would be great. And one of the reasons for doing this, besides wanting to sort of reduce the silos, was also to put together a campaign that could be embraced by everyone. So the bystander idea, the engagement of men and boys, of people who may not have directly experienced sexual assault or domestic violence, who still might want to be able to weigh in on this. So you see the website here, No More, and all of the donations that come to this then go to grassroots advocacy organizations. So it was another way for the advocates to also get support for the important work they do. And we're going to scroll down just a little bit to the bottom here so that you have a chance to see who some of the sponsors are. And as I mentioned, Kaiser Permanente and Avon were some of the grassroots sponsors for this. But you can see there are a lot of other companies that have weighed in on that. One of the beauties of this campaign is really being able to leverage people who might not necessarily come together at the table. One of the elements, besides the way that companies have supported it through their branding, is the ways they have brought it into their institution. And in Kaiser Permanente, we have used this campaign in numerous ways, both to help educate our clinicians, to reach our members, and also to work in the communities in which we serve. And there's a whole set of slides that I could show you about what we've done in Kaiser. But what I'd like to do is show a 1-minute PSA about the way that athletes were engaged in the No More campaign. It initially started with outreach to the entertainment industry, and so there are a whole set of PSAs with entertainment industry stars. But I think you would be interested in seeing what they were able to do with the NFL. So if you'll just go to that 1-minute PSA, that'd be great. And thank you for letting us crash your panel. Let's see, scroll back up to the very top there, to the one, not to the 30-minute one, but one right above this. Or, sorry, this one we'll go ahead and go with. Oh, it's 15 seconds. That's fine. We'll go with that.
Well, she was drunk.
Boys will be boys.
I'm sure they'll work it out.
He warned her.
She was asking for it.
Why doesn't she just leave?
It's time to end domestic violence and sexual assault once and for all.
Actually, we missed the one that has the NFL players. Let's go ahead and
Boys will be
I'll let you know
boys.
that if you go to this
was
site.
Drunk.
Well, he was drunk.
She
Go
was
ahead.
asking
You can
for
go ahead and
it.
He
stop.
warned her.
Not my problem.
Why doesn't she just leave?
He's such a nice guy.
There's a very compelling set of football players who speak out around domestic violence. And if you go to this site, you'll get a chance to hear it. Or if you go to the Super Bowl, that'll be one of the PSAs that you'll see. So we'll just stop there and let you continue. Okay. And thank you for letting us. Okay. All right. Let's do this one. Okay. Go ahead and do that one.
While we were loading it, I just got a message from Futures Without Violence to sign a petition.
No more boys will be boys. No more. What's the big deal? No more. It's just the way he is. No more. He just has a temper. No more. But he's such a nice guy.
No more, but he has such a bright future. No more. Not my problem.
No more. I'll say something next time.
No more. Why didn't she tell anyone?
No more. Why doesn't she just leave? No more. I'm sure they'll work it out.
No more. She seems fine to me.
No more. What was she wearing?
No more. She was drunk.
No more. He was drunk.
No more. She was asking for it.
No more. She never said no.
No more, not in this family.
No more, not on this team.
No more, we don't talk about that.
No more bystanding.
No more ignorance.
No more excuses. No more.
Great. Thank you.